Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to verify Bitcoin on PayPal account. Alright, let's begin the video. Once logged into your PayPal account, you'll see your current balance displayed. To use a portion of this balance to purchase cryptocurrency, locate the crypto option on the main page or navigate to the Finances tab at the top of the page. Either choice will lead you to the cryptocurrency section. Here, you may need to provide additional information such as your social security number or ID details, as this involves financial transactions. Once on the crypto page, you'll find options for various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. For this example, let's select Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin to view the purchasing options. You can choose from preset amounts like $20, $50, $100, or opt to buy as little as $1 worth of Bitcoin. Let's proceed with purchasing $5 worth of Bitcoin. Click Buy and enter $5. Next, you'll be prompted to select a payment method. Since you want to use your PayPal balance, choose your cash balance as the funding source. You can also add a bank account if necessary. Click Next to proceed. The following screen will display the details of your purchase, including the amount of Bitcoin you are buying, the current exchange rate, the total price, and the associated transaction fee. Note that the transaction fee remains the same whether you buy $5 or $10 worth of Bitcoin, so purchasing more at once can be more cost-effective. After reviewing the details, click Buy Now. Your purchase will be confirmed, and you'll see that you have acquired a specific amount of Bitcoin, such as 0.004925 in BTC, based on the current exchange rate and the amount spent. So that's basically how to verify Bitcoin on PayPal account. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.